If you ride a Yamaha V-Max between 2009 and 2021, you already know it is a beast of a bike. It's fast, it's powerful, loud, but the stock seat, it's not exactly built for comfort on longer rides, and that's where Corbin steps in with their front saddle. And I gotta say that this is a serious upgrade in both form and function to your bike. Now, right out of the box, it feels premium. There's genuine leather seating, red stitching, and a carbonite material that actually ties in really well with the stock V-Max design. This doesn't look like some bulky aftermarket addition. It's going to bolt on directly, blend in really nice, and enhance the look of the bike without screaming for attention. This is just clean and aggressive right out of the box. Now here's where it gets interesting. The seat has been sculpted to improve ground reach, so if you're on the shorter side or you just want to get that added confidence when you're stopping or starting your bike, this is something that you're really going to benefit from. But they didn't just lower the profile and call it a day. Corbin actually kept the seat to peg distance relaxed, so you're not cramping up on longer rides, and you're still getting the legroom, but just with better footing. It's really a smart design move overall, and you can see from the inside out, even coming to this red V, Corbin has just gone all out on this V-Max seat to give you a premium signature style. Now the seat is firmer than stock, so it keeps its shape, its support, and its comfort. And because of how it's dished out to fit your body, you actually get more square inches of comfort and contact. This is really going to help reduce pressure points, less sliding, and less weird hot spots when you're spending hours on the bike. Installation is simple. You're going to keep your stock hinged fuel door cover and just transfer it onto the Corbin seat. It's going to take basic hand tools in a few minutes, and you're good to go. This is going to bolt on just like the original with 2 mounting points right underneath your stock cover, and it also works with your stock Yamaha passenger seat or Corbin's own pillion option. So if you're not looking into buying a whole new rear section, you don't actually have to. You can just reuse your stock seat. Now, all in all, the seat isn't just about looks, but it genuinely changes the way that your ride feels. If you've been thinking about upgrading the saddle, this is one of those rare mods that actually makes your bike more enjoyable every single time that you ride it. Now, my name is Alex from Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. So if you have any questions, you can call our team at 786-242-5400. I ask that you like and subscribe to this video if you found any value. And if you're interested in this seat, head over to our website. We have the entire catalog, including this seat, ready for order. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.